Hey guys, this is Uzefa from my page Positive Academy. Today I'm going to talk about don't waste time. I have been right through this journey. I was a guy who was just wasting a lot of time, but then I realized that time is money. Time is very much crucial. Time is very much important, and we have limited amount of time on this earth. We have limited amount of time to live the life you want. So why are you wasting your time? Why are you wasting your time searching for the people? Why are you wasting for the time on social media? Why are you wasting on the time for the gossips which doesn't give you anymore, which doesn't return you anymore? Today I see that Instagram threads are now trending. So why don't we create our app and try to make money instead of helping other people who just make like Instagram thread app making money, right? So we must develop ourselves. We must choose to become the greatest version. And there are many things which you can do to become your greatest version. I think it involves the 4 pillars of your life, whether it is health, love, money and happiness, right? Through these 4 pillars only your life is depending upon, right? So when it comes to health, do healthy thing, right? Eat vegan, eat raw diet, or eat organic diet, right? When it comes to wealth, think about prosperity, abundance, right? Shift your mindset from lacking mindset to that of abundance mindset, right? Think money as your friend. Money is not evil, right? Money is a tool, right? Same as technology itself is a tool. Like for example, I'm recording this video is on the tool, right? So we must consider technology as a tool and don't become the slave of technology, right? Mostly people become the slave of technology, right? That is very much dangerous and it is impacting a lot of things, right? Another thing which I would like to address is stress management. I see that a lot of youngsters now become stressful. Why? Because they are bombarded with a lot of information from all over the social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, right? And so they cannot think, and then the attention span is also less, and they cannot spend the time wisely, right? So they are very much stressed. So only way to get things done and to be not get rid of the stress is to just limit the use of consuming the information, right? See or reach to the people who matter to you, right? Who provide the value to your content, whose content matters, whose content is important, who inspire you, motivate you, right? That is more important. In that way you just let go of the stress. Now I was just talking about health, wealth. Now about love, right? Mostly people just chase other people, right? When they see the people on social media, they find them beautiful, right? But remember that the people on social media it's on 2 phases, right? The one that is the real, right, who is genuine, and the another is not real, right? So people look for the not real thing and they just chase them, right? And they waste time. Lot of time has been waste, right? So stop wasting time, right? So this was the 3rd pillar that I was talking about. Now about happiness, right? Now happiness, when it comes, then it is self-contentment, right? What you do, what you love, right? But people do the job that they hate, right? They go for 9 to 5 job, right? The job that they don't like, right? So when does the happiness come? Happiness will not come. It is an emotional attachment, right? So you must be careful what you choose, right? Choose wisely, live well, right? Life is a choice. This video itself is a choice, and you choose me, right? And I'm speaking and now you're listening to me, so it's your choice, right? So we must make wise choices, and then only we will be successful, and then only we will be doing something in your life. I see that most of the people spend lot of time of your life, right, in the young age, right? They are wasting that time, right? And now they realize that they have wasted a lot of years in doing the things which doesn't matter anymore, right? And now they're realizing that the time has gone, time has already passed. That span of 5 to 10 years, which is most important in career building, has already gone. And now they are left with the responsibilities, with families, with kids, and so now they are not able to do what they want to do, what they love to do, right? And it is very much late when they realize this thing, right? So open up your eyes, right? Awaken yourself. This is a waking up call, right? I hope this talk helps, right? If this inspires you, motivates you, do follow, share and subscribe, right? Because it helps me. It gives me the motivation to make more such of videos. I also done the things which I'm not great, which I'm proud of, right? But still I'm just manipulating them. I'm just reversing them, right? Each and every day. to make myself better, how I can improve. I realized the things, like just I said that, which was good, right? But I didn't pay attention. But right now I'm on track. So I want you also to be on track, right? So that's the message from mine. I hope it helps, right? If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. Remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.